know, when I heard this was going to be a Barrett-Jackson, I was so excited. I drove one of these Super Duties down in Florida, and I got to be honest, this one, wow, it's even nicer. Really is beautiful, almost night and day, and frame-off restoration. It's in near perfect shape. There's some little things that can be touched up and worked upon, but it's really, really a beautiful car, beautiful ride. And as I said, the restoration is just, it's amazing. It's hard to believe this car, brand new, off the showroom floor, was $5,917.75. I would have bought 3 now. Joy to drive it every single day. I love how you're sitting up almost on the engine. You can feel the engine's power when you give it gas. It's got that nice smell of yesteryear. I like saying yesteryear too. And surprisingly, the suspension on this feels a little bit loose. Feels nice. It feels like, you know, it will give in the turns a little bit. It's going to be forgiving in the turns. So when you give it gas, you push out of that turn. It's going to grip the road, catch on, you can take off. A little bit of play in the steering wheel, as I said, same thing with the suspension. I think you need that. If you really want to get in those corners and have some fun with this car, you need a little bit of play. You know, you're sitting down kind of low on the seat, and as you peer up, you see on the hood the trademark Firebird Trans Am logo. It makes you just want to give it gas and take off. This is a car where you can feel the engine. When you give it gas, you feel everything starts to rattle a little bit. You know, not in a bad way, in a good way. It kind of helps you keep control of the car and know where you're at. This is a car that can get away from you if you're not careful. There's a slight little delay right when you press the gas, but once it catches in, boom, back tires go, and you're off to the races. It almost feels like you could chirp wheels in the second or third gear. I mean, when you get this thing out on the highway, no stopping you. For so much power underneath the hood, it really is a nice, smooth ride. Oh yeah, this is great. Loving it.